Today I'm going to run you through a quick demo showing some of the great features ScoreUp has to offer that will help you significantly boost your credit score. So you've logged into your dashboard and are probably thinking, what do I do next? Once you've logged in, you will first see your current credit score on the left-hand side of the screen. You will also see what credit score range and rating you are currently in. Below your credit score, you will find a shortcut section with various options. This will help you navigate through the website and find exactly what you're looking for whenever you need it. At the bottom of the page, you will find your credit summary, which will provide you with an overall picture of all your accounts. Here you can see the number of open versus closed accounts, as well as positive versus negative accounts, the type of accounts you currently have open, as well as a brief summary of credit utilization and balance of your accounts. Now, let's look at your credit file. I'm going to skip the tutorial for now, but feel free to go over it in your free time. On this page, you can see your score and point deductions, which are the points recoverable based on our proprietary technology here at ScoreUp. Below are the entire credit file, recommendations, score history, as well as 3 ScoreUp simulators. Your credit file is broken into 4 sections: derogatory accounts closed, derogatory accounts open, good standing accounts open, and good standing accounts closed. You can click on each trade line to view more information about it. Next, let's look at recommendations. This page is broken down into 2 sections. Short-term recommendations, if followed, can affect your credit score within this or next reporting period, whereas long-term recommendations might improve your credit in the long run. After that, you see your inquiries, which serve as a timeline of when you have applied for new credit. While a hard inquiry might stay on your credit report for 2 years, it will usually only impact your credit for a few months. The lower your credit score is, the more points a hard credit check will take off your score. To ensure you can track your score improvements, we have added a score history section for you. Your updated credit score will appear here on a monthly basis, so you can view your historical progress to see how many points you have been earning since you started the program. Another feature I would like to show you is our simulators. Currently, you are provided with 3 different types of simulators to use. Each in its own unique way will help you by following the recommended steps to achieve the credit and financial expectations you desire. The target score page reflects your current credit score and allows you to type in the desired score required for a finance product you have in mind. With a click of a button, you will be provided with an action plan to achieve the score in the shortest time span. The money simulator right next to it determines the best distribution of funds across your accounts. This allows you to type in an amount, click a button, and recommendations will be provided on who and how much to pay in order to gain the greatest number of points. Last but not least is our manual simulator. This one is slightly different from the other 2 as it shows you your entire credit report and gives you the ability to play around and pay down on different debts to see how this affects your credit score. Now that we went over your credit file, let us return to the main menu and look at the rest of the shortcuts. Financial section will help you to manage your finances, which is the first step to properly managing your credit. Here you can complete your financial budget and find the breakdown of your budget in financial analysis. In this section, you will also see your budget items reflected in your financial calendar. When you update your income and expenses information, you will be able to see your budget items in the calendar format on your financial calendar. Education section right next to it shows you the 12 modules and teaches you about financial literacy, credit, and improving your overall financial well-being. Use Contact Us section to reach us if you have any questions about the software. And finally, if you wish to refer a friend, here is an option for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to learn more, please go to score-up.ca or send us an email to customers@marblefinancial.ca. Happy credit building!